Good morning, guys. Today is Sunday. I'm gonna go to the church. Yeah, it's been a long time I didn't go to church, so we're walking. I'm walking. I'm walking right now. I will go to the church. Today is Sunday. Welcome back to my channel, to my vlog. It's been a long time I didn't have a videos to be uploaded in my YouTube channel. I'm walking alone. Later, I will show you when I'm there in the church. Malapit na tayo, guys, sa church. Ito. Ayan. We're gonna get inside the church because it's Sunday today. So it's time to have our church day. They're inside. Go. Pasok tayo, guys, pasok. Pumasok tayo, guys, dahil magpe-pray tayo. Kasi minsan lang ako pumupunta ng church. Kaya pagkakataon ko na ngayon na mag-pray inside the church. And I just lighting the candle, here. And I'm so blessed today that I am here inside the church. God bless everyone and have a nice day, everybody.